Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to make alkaline rice cake. This cake can make it to many kind of dish or style to eat. Hope you like it, enjoy. First prepare the ingredient: alkaline water or sodium silicate, cornstarch and blended rice flour. These three are the main ingredients. Then we proceed to the side preparation. Get ready the mold. Then prepare salt about 1 teaspoon, alkaline water 1 spoon, and last is the borax. Borax do not put much as overdose might cause death. Just put a small amount will do. This is to gives the cake nice bouncy and better chewy texture. Remember, do not put too much. Add 1 tablespoon cornstarch into 1 pack of rice flour, 500 gram. Then add in the salt. Next add in half of 1.5 liters water bottle. Add and stir it. Once consume half of the water bottle, then take the balance water to cook for boil. Continue stir the mixture until dissolve. Once dissolved, add in the alkaline water and mix it. Then use some hot water to dissolve the borax. Once dissolved, pour into the mixture and stir again. Make sure the borax is fully dissolved. You will see black dot at the side if the borax is not fully dissolved. Again, do not put too much borax. Not good for health. Pour in and stir. Get a small bowl once the water are boiled and scoop up a portion of the mixture into the bowl. Pour in the mixture into the boil water and turn off the fire. Stir and pour.
Stir and stir, stir and stir.
Stir it for about 20 minutes. If you found the mixture still have some small particle, it is fine. It will melt during you cook. No worrying, be happy. Then now mix both the mixture together and continue stir.
Stir and stir, stir and stir.
After stir for few minutes, pour into the prepared mold. Make the surface slightly smooth. Homie, no need make it to pretty haha. Once the water of steamer boiled, put in the mold plate and steam it for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Before that, put a spoon inside so that you might know if the water is empty. Once the time reach, open the lid and remove the surface water and check the cake with chopstick. If the cake do not stick on the chopstick, mean it is cooked. Clean the excessive surface water and let it dry and cool down first before take to cut. Wow, see the bouncy surface, yummy. This is the effect from borax. Again, do not put much borax. Cut it after cool down. This can be eaten by many style. My favorite style is eat with curry. Sibi hojiak. Thank you grandma recipe. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.